I'm Laura. Today, let me tell you about a sewage truck. The engine in this vehicle is powered by a 170 horsepower. The displacement is 5.9 liters. The maximum power is 125 kilowatts. The transmission is manual 8-speed. The dimensions is 7,450 millimeters by 2,350 millimeters by 2,950 millimeters. The wheelbase of the truck is 3.8 meters. Tires are 8.25 R20 with a rear dual tire design. The tank volume is 160 liters. This vehicle has two main functions, suction and watering. The tank is designed in white and blue color scheme. The volume of the suction tank is 6 tons. The volume of the water tank is 2 tons. The whole vehicle looks very fresh and simple. Front axle load capacity is 3.6 tons. Rear axle load capacity is 8 tons. This vehicle has a wading depth of 500 millimeters. Minimum ground clearance is 250 millimeters. Top speed up to 85 kilometers per hour. The vehicle's overall mass is about 6 tons. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you are interested in us, please follow us. See you next time. Bye-bye.